Okay, so we're gonna have to redo it.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And how exactly are you gonna redo it?
What I was saying, we can paint it black or green or blue, and then sand off the paint, and then the words would be colored.
Okay. And Dave's gonna come over and help you with this?
Well, he's got to show me how I can slow the feed rate up without having to do everything. Cut it out now.
And this is your CNC that you're using?
Yeah.
And this was your first time doing aluminum, right?
Right.
So how did it turn out? Like you expected?
Nope.
Not at all?
Not at all.
All right, we'll have to try again then.